This iRobot Roomba 980 robot vacuum is a cutting-edge cleaning tool designed to make home maintenance easy and efficient. With its advanced Wi-Fi connectivity, superior suction power, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, this robot vacuum is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Whether you're a pet owner, live in a multi-level home, or just want a cleaner living space, the Roomba 980 offers high-tech features that will pique your interest. The sleek black design of the iRobot Roomba 980 is stylish and modern. Its compact, circular shape allows it to navigate around furniture, along walls, and into hard-to-reach corners. The top is equipped with a simple interface, making it easy to operate with just a few buttons. However, the magic truly lies in its app connectivity and smart features that bring convenience to a whole new level. The Roomba 980 is equipped with a full suite of intelligent sensors, including the iAdapt 2.0 navigation system with vSLAM technology. This allows the vacuum to map your home, providing more efficient cleaning and ensuring it doesn't miss any spots. The power-lifting suction technology also delivers 10x the air power compared to older Roomba models, ensuring that every surface, from carpets to hard floors, is left spotless. What sets the iRobot Roomba 980 apart is its power boost technology. When cleaning carpets, the Roomba 980 automatically increases suction, pulling up dirt, dust, and debris embedded deep within the fibers. This is a major advantage for homes with high traffic areas or thick carpets, which typically trap more dirt. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system with tangle-free multi-surface brushes ensures efficient pickup of pet hair and allergens, making it ideal for pet owners. One of the standout features is its iAdapt 2.0 navigation with vSLAM technology, which enables the Roomba to map your entire home and adapt its cleaning path as needed. This technology allows the vacuum to clean under furniture, around objects, and along walls, ensuring a thorough clean without missing any areas. The advanced dirt detect sensors also help the Roomba target high-traffic areas, providing an extra level of cleaning where it's needed most. The iRobot Roomba 980 is particularly effective in homes with pets. Its dual multi-surface rubber brushes are designed to handle pet hair without getting tangled, which reduces the need for frequent maintenance. The high-efficiency filter traps 99% of allergens, pet hair, and particles as small as 10 microns, making your home cleaner and healthier, especially for those with allergies. If you're tired of sweeping up after your pets daily, this robot vacuum will be a game changer for you. The iRobot Home app makes it easy to schedule and control your Roomba from anywhere. Whether you're at work or lounging on the couch, you can manage your cleaning tasks directly from your smartphone. The app also allows you to monitor the cleaning history, check battery status, and watch maintenance videos. Additionally, the Roomba 980 receives software updates via the app, ensuring that your vacuum always has the latest features. Voice activation is another excellent feature. The Roomba 980 is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start, stop, or dock your robot vacuum with just your voice. This integration with smart home devices offers unmatched convenience. One of the biggest hassles of robot vacuums is battery life, but the iRobot Roomba 980 runs for up to 120 minutes before needing to recharge. When its battery gets low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge, and then resumes cleaning right where it left off. This is perfect for larger homes, as the Roomba will continue cleaning until the job is done. Should you buy the iRobot Roomba 980? If you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers high-tech features, powerful suction, and seamless integration with smart home devices, the iRobot Roomba 980 is an excellent investment. Its ability to clean a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to carpets, and its effectiveness at picking up pet hair and allergens makes it a top choice for pet owners and those with allergies. Plus, the convenience of app control and voice commands makes it incredibly user-friendly. For anyone who values a cleaner home without the hassle of manual vacuuming, the Roomba 980 is the perfect solution. With its advanced features, powerful suction, and smart technology, this robot vacuum goes above and beyond in delivering a spotless home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.